In this video, I'm going to go over 5 ways you can improve your NetSuite instance by using automations. Check this out. One of the first automations you can do is if you have an e-commerce website. Now, what you can do is to manage your meta descriptions, which are needed for SEO purposes, by writing a simple script that will auto-populate that field using maybe your product name, your SKU, or maybe saying add to cart or something like that to be able to have that field automatically populated so that your employees don't have to worry about entering that data every time they make a new item. If you don't have an e-commerce platform, you can still have a customer portal using NetSuite, and that portal can be improved upon to make it feel like an e-commerce platform. You can even have tables where you add to cart a whole group of tables, and it'll add it automatically to a sales order. This is especially useful for different B2B businesses that don't want to have a full e-commerce solution, but want to have a similar checkout solution to an e-commerce platform. By utilizing the Customer Center portal with a couple customizations, you can greatly improve the customer experience even for a B2B transaction. The third automation that you can do in NetSuite is really using a third-party software. This deals with taxes. When you have different state taxes that you have to maintain tables for, it's much easier to use a different solution that maintains that for you. There are a couple options that I found the best out of all of them, and that's Avalara and also Thomson Reuters OneSource. These are really the two best platforms that I've worked with and find them really useful for different automations regarding taxes. Another automation you can do using NetSuite is dealing with marketing. You'll want to do some type of email marketing campaigns, and NetSuite is great for this in a customized way. It's not as intuitive as other platforms, but it can be fully customized where other platforms don't have that ability. So you can do all types of customizations to make the flow of them work more effectively in your favor. Most of the time you can use workflows in these cases, but sometimes it might be effective to use scripting too. And finally, the fifth NetSuite automation you can do to help greatly improve your system is really more of a generalized advice I have for you. And that is, if you have a pain point within your NetSuite instance, you can resolve it with automations almost always. Now, you just have to take a step back to do a cost-benefit analysis to see how much time you will save by having an automation versus a manual entry. These are some of the tips I have for you to help improve your NetSuite instance with automations. If you've got any other questions, go ahead and reach out to me or one of my team members.